and emotion that we have towards ब्रह्मास्त्र. और हम तो सिर्फ यहाँ 3 लोग खड़े हैं. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग हमारे फ्रंट रो पे बैठे हैं जो अभी they will hide their faces and everything because they don't want any attention. But there is a whole team that has worked on ब्रह्मास्त्र for 10 years. तो ये हमारे लिए बहुत ही इमोशनल मोमेंट है. 2 दिन में फिल्म रिलीज होने वाली है, ऑडियंस तक पहुंचने वाली है. But one thing I have to say is Ayan has been so excited to come to Delhi. Since the beginning, he said, Delhi jana hai, Delhi jana hai. I really want to go to Delhi. I want to take the film to Delhi. I want to talk about the film. And up until Sunday, you know, he was still like doing final touches and finishing the film. So he was finding it really hard to let go, but finally we're here. So I'm so happy we've opened. जो हम लोगों ने यहाँ आपको दिखाया है, we haven't actually opened it up to anyone yet. तो I hope you enjoyed it. और जैसे कि मैंने कहा, फिल्म 2 दिन में रिलीज हो रही है, तो जो पॉजिटिव एनर्जी आप लोगों ने अभी हमें दिया, प्लीज फिल्म को भी दीजिए और आई एम श्योर ऑडियंस तक भी पहुंची जाएगी. थैंक यू. अच्छा, दैट्स ग्रेट.
Happy to be here. Just hearing you guys, जितना आपने positivity दिया है, really made me feel very happy. But beyond everything that I've said through this marketing process of ब्रह्मास्त्र, I just have to say this again that ये सच्ची मेरे लिए एक सौभाग्य है कि मैं एक ऐसे आर्टिस्ट के साथ मैंने काम किया है, मेरा जो बेस्ट फ्रेंड है, जिसने इतनी मेहनत से फिल्म बनाई है, इतनी लगन, इतने प्यार, इतने पेशेंस से बनाई है. एंड आई हैव लॉट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट for an individual like this, and I really hope that beyond all of us, the film really does well for him. So just a big hand for this filmmaker sitting here.
Oh, I'm so bad with compliments. Thank you. Chalo, I'll also say something before you ask me a question. So let me share with you what I'm feeling as we are 2 days away from this journey. रणबीर मुझे बहुत credit दे रहा है, but actually both रणबीर एंड आलिया, मैं ये कह चुका हूँ पहले, they have been supports and pillars on this film like nobody else. I mean, हमने throughout this filmmaking process इन्हें stars नहीं माना है, they have actually been crew members on this film, real soldiers on this film. And like Alia said, beyond them, हमारी कुछ team बैठी है यहाँ पे, हमारी producer बैठी है, production design, हमारे कुछ direction team में लोग बैठे हैं. Honestly, मैंने इतने साल दिए हैं, फिर भी मेरा नाम comes the first on the film. It's known as my film, but there are people who have contributed to this film as much as I have. So for this entire team, it's a very very emotional moment कि finally इतने सालों के बाद ये film finish हो गई है और आ रही है बड़े पर्दे पर. And there are 2 themes that I think I want to leave in your minds to understand really why I think ब्रह्मास्त्र is so unique, which is technology and spirituality. जब ये सफर शुरू हुआ था, my basic thing was that हम एक ऐसा cinematic spectacle create करें, एक entertainment piece create करें जो भारतीय पर्दे पे पहले कभी ना आया था, and एकदम अलग अनदेखी दुनिया create करें ब्रह्मास्त्र के साथ. But my 2 things were that we have to use modern technology to really create a never seen before experiences for our audiences. And I feel that and I hope in 2 days everybody feels it. I think we have succeeded in that effort to, really take technology to the next level for Indian cinema with ब्रह्मास्त्र. And my second thing was कि हम ये बड़ी technological entertainment film बना रहे हैं, तो वो किसी भी मुद्दे पे हो सकती थी, but making such a big film, it was very important to me कि इस film की foundation, इस film की core, इस film का soul, इस film की नींव हमारे इतिहास, हमारी spirituality, हमारे culture से प्रेरित हो. So that spiritual angle also, I believe, is very strong in the film. जब आप पूरी film देखोगे, I think everybody will be left with a very nice, warm feeling of connect with Indian culture in this film. And it makes me feel very proud कि, anybody outside of the world also sees this film, they will think of it as outside of India sees this film, they will think of it as a very original Indian film that's been created. So this is my feeling, and I hope कि in 2 days this feeling actually reaches people and people also feel the same about it. That's it.
Hi to Alia, Ranveer and Ayan. Congratulations on your movie first of all, and the trailer was good, and in fact the clips that you showed us. I would like to begin with asking Ranveer and Alia, because like you said that he's been giving the film final touches up until like 2 days ago. So, Ranveer and Alia, you have seen the film. I want to know your first thoughts about the film.
Ma'am, we've been seeing the film for quite some time. So we've been so involved in the process. हम छोटा सब कुछ देखते आ रहे from the very beginning. हाँ, of course we have a feeling, we have an instinct, we have a certain emotion that we are left with beyond us being attached to the film, and as an audience also we have a perspective. But I'm not sure it's the right time to give.
Alia and Ranveer have been like assistant directors on the film.
Yeah.
वो रोज आ रहे थे excitement में देखने को. तो हम लोग का film में mixing studio, mixing होता है, sound mixing. We are grading the film. They were coming every day to see कि क्या हो रहा है. So they have.
Yeah, I mean these guys were there till 5 o'clock in the morning every day at the mix. हम लोग जाते थे. Ayan likes to take everybody's opinions. What do you feel? ये वो and all. So we are very involved in the process. तो हम फिल्म के बहुत करीब है. I have a feeling of the film, but I don't want to taint my feeling with what the audience's feeling is going to be. So I'm waiting for the audience's reaction, which is not very far away. It's 2 days away.
Hello, hi sir, Akash this side from filmikida.com. So this side. So this side. My question is with Ayan sir. So sir, हमने Marvel Cinematic Universe की movies देखी हैं जिसमें बहुत ही next level VFX होता है. तो हमने आज जो कंटेंट देखा उसमें भी हमें पता चला कि उस टाइप का ही VFX लेवल है. तो मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ, जब आप इस मूवी को बना रहे थे, आपने 10 साल इसमें इन्वेस्ट किए हैं अपनी लाइफ के, तो कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा आपका इसको VFX को लेकर? क्या आप वरिड थे कि मतलब, क्योंकि उस दौरान मार्वल सिनेमैटिक यूनिवर्स की काफी मूवीज आ रही थी. सो व्हाट वाज योर थॉट प्रोसेस एंड हाउ डिड यू डू दिस?
Just tell me your name.
माय नेम इज आकाश सर.
आकाश. आकाश, ये जो फिल्म का VFX जर्नी रहा है ना, मैं कुछ भी कहूँगा, I will talk for 10 minutes and bore everybody. It has been such a big journey क्योंकि VFX was actually one of the foundation things which we had to attack in making this film. From the beginning, वो सफर इतना लंबा, इतना challenging और फिक्र रहा है that when we finally all the visuals came together ना, final film, I still can't believe कि हो गई, and we managed to compile it. So there were two emotions. One is it was definitely very difficult. We had a lot of support. इस film पे we have a producer on this film whose name is Namit Malhotra, who owns a very big visual effects company in the world. So he has been a big support to make the VFX happen on Brahmastra. उनकी company ने बहुत Oscars भी जीते हैं, so they are a very top level company. But फिर भी, I won't lie, the process was very challenging. But I also want to tell you, I used to often feel while making the film कि my filmmaking guru in the world is, there are two. One is Rajamouli sir, and the second is James Cameron. I mean, I'm a big fan. And I used to feel kabhi, making the film ki yaar, I'm also like a young Steven Spielberg, young James Cameron, abhi mehnat karunga, I'll be able to create something unbelievable. So that passion really kept me going, even though the VFX was very difficult. And I'm very excited for everybody to see what we've achieved in the whole film.
ओके, जितना एक्सपीरियंस है उतना ही मतलब कुछ अलग इसमें देखने के लिए मिला है. तो आप कितनी एक्सपेक्टेशन फैन से रख रहे हैं या ऑडियंस से रख रहे हैं?
देखिए, मुझे एज एन एक्टर मुझे यकीन है कि मुझे ऐसा मौका, मुझे पता नहीं मेरे करियर में फिर से मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा. ऐसी फिल्म, ऐसी कहानी, द कैनवस, the spirituality that I was talking about, something so rooted in our Indian culture, something which has been inspired from our Indian gods. मतलब आप कमर्शियल सिनेमा के बारे में बात करते हो, आप VFX सिनेमा के बारे में बात करते हो, एज एन एक्टर मुझे सब कुछ मिला इस फिल्म में. जो मेरा अनुभव रहा है, ऑफ कोर्स ये मुश्किल था, क्योंकि जैसे आप विजुअल्स देख रहे हैं, जब हम इसकी शूटिंग करते थे तो हमारे इर्द गिर्द सिर्फ ब्लू स्क्रीन रहता था. तो जैसे अगर आप मेरे हाथ में आप आग देख रहे हो, तो वो आग था नहीं, मुझे इमेजिन करना था. जो आप फिल्म में जब आप देखोगे, जो अलग अलग ग्राफिक्स हमने अचीव किए इस फिल्म में, वो बहुत मुश्किल था. बट आई थिंक एज अ फिल्म मेकर, अयान ने इतनी प्रिपरेशन की थी, उसने 2D एनिमेशंस बनाई थी, क्योंकि हम सब बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स हैं, हमने कुछ 6 साल से हम सिर्फ ब्रह्मास्त्र के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. तो हमारे दिमाग में क्लियर था कि अच्छा ये ऐसा दिखने वाला है, हमारी अचीवमेंट हमें यहाँ तक लेकर जानी है. तो प्रोसेस स्टेप बाय स्टेप था. ऐसे नहीं कि हम सेट पे आए और सब कुछ हमने कर दिया. हमने बहुत मेहनत की, बहुत ट्रेनिंग की, बहुत रिहर्सल्स किए. हमने फिल्म कुछ करीबन 200 दिन शूट किए, बट उसके 100 दिन पहले हमने सिर्फ रिहर्सल्स किए. तो ये सब कड़ी मेहनत के बाद ये रंग लाई है. बट इट्स बीन वन ऑफ अ काइंड एक्सपीरियंस. आई डोंट थिंक मैं एंड आलिया we will get to experience such a film ever in our life again. That it's really been an honor and privilege to be part of this movie, and more so to really interact with a filmmaker like Ayan, because he is really instrumental in my growth as an actor, at least. I have known Ayan since 2008. 2008 is when he narrated Wake Up Sid to me. I didn't know him before that. He's someone who just came and narrated his entire story. He was sitting on the floor and he was narrating the film for me. He said, I'll take 1 hour. He took 5 hours to narrate that film. And I really felt an energy from a young filmmaker, like, wow, this guy really has a story to tell. Like, he is passionate about every word, he's passionate about his characters, and I could feel that energy. You know, and I think art is about energies. You have to feel energies within other people, other human beings, and then you have to put out. See, we are in a medium of entertainment. We sometimes take ourselves too seriously. हम फिल्में बनाते for an audience. That is it. We have to take ourselves seriously, because if we don't take ourselves seriously, we won't do a good job. But eventually, audience के मनोरंजन के लिए बनाते हैं. You guys have to be entertained, and that is pretty much it. We can't take ourselves that seriously also. So going forward, I think you, as actors, you just organically, whatever comes to your opportunities, you pick from there. ऐसे नहीं कि ब्रह्मास्त्र के बाद अभी मैं सोचूंगा मैं ऐसी टाइप की फिल्म करूंगा. ऐसा मौका मेरे को मिलेगा नहीं, मुझे पता है. So I hope that, you know, going forward, I get other opportunities to showcase other different characters that I can portray.